Activating Google Assistant on your Android phone is super easy. You can do it in different ways, like using the Google Search widget or downloading the Google Assistant app from the Play Store. Either way, you'll have your own personal helper in no time. Today, I'll show you 2 ways to activate Google Assistant. But before we dive in, I'd appreciate it if you subscribed and gave this video a big, shiny thumbs up. Let's kick off with the first method, using the Google Search widget. If the Google Search widget isn't on your home screen, simply pinch the screen to bring up the option to add widgets. Find and select the Google Search widget by tapping on it. Once you've got the Google Search widget on your home screen, tap on the Google icon. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your profile picture. Tap on it, and you'll see a settings option at the bottom. Here's what to do next. We're going to touch the Google Assistant option, followed by Google and Voice Match. If you see a screen that looks like this with a Get Started button, you can scroll down to read the information or just tap on More right away. Next, hit the I agree button, then repeat the process by pressing More and I agree again. Finally, read the text in quotation marks until you reach the end, then hit Next. The second way to activate Google Assistant is by installing the Google Assistant app from the Play Store. If you've already got the app installed, long press on the Google Assistant icon on your home screen until the settings option pops up. This will be our gateway to turning Google Assistant on. After tapping on the settings option, you'll see a screen that's similar to what we saw in the first method. To activate Google Assistant, head to the Google and Voice Match menu and turn Hey Google on. All right, let's put it to the test. Hey Google. Look at that, Google Assistant sprung to life just by hearing our magic words. Let's give it another go. We've seen how well Google Assistant works when the screen is on, but what about when it's off? Let's give it a try. Hey Google. Wow, look at that. Even with the screen off, Google Assistant springs to life. Impressive, right? You can see that Google Assistant is ready to assist you on or off screen.